Well, good afternoon, TAC Nation. This is TAC Moto coming to you from the streets of Edmonton on this actually pretty mild January day. Yes, Monday, an afternoon. Yes, this is afternoon. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. This is how dark it is in January at 4:30 in the afternoon. By 5 o'clock, pitch black, I betcha. And this is now the, let's see, 1, 2, 5, 6, carry the 4, subtract 6, divide by 2. This is probably now the 9th time I've been trying to record this moto vlog for you guys today, because I keep getting interrupted by various stupidity on the road, as well as people constantly texting me for some odd reason. Oh yeah, that's a good road right there, just rattling the truck like crazy. Gotta love the white mud. Oh, we're gonna be in a traffic jam too. Woohoo! Everything is just being awesome today. But anyways, enough of the griping. Enough of that. So this weekend, watch this guy actually. Let's see, is he gonna cut off that guy? Yeah, is he? Who's gonna be the bigger dick? The guy who cuts off or the guy who doesn't hit the brake? Dicks. So dicks. By the way, dicks does not count as a curse word, so nothing's going in the swear jar today, okay, boys and girls? The motorcycle show, that's what I was talking about. Happened this weekend here in motorcycle show. For those of you guys who don't know, who live under a rock, a motorcycle show is where the manufacturers bring out all their bikes, the local dealers, all this stuff. I'm just watching the guy behind me about to rear end my ass because he's losing control of his truck. Dummy. But yes, the motorcycle show, everyone brings their latest products. I got a whole lot of pictures for you guys I'm going to be playing here in just a second with a nice little video, audio kind of, presentation, we'll say. But before I do, I'm going to show you this guy. Yes, this guy right here. Mr. Almost getting sideswiped by a freaking Honda Element. This guy right here, who, standing behind the Kawasaki, who I encountered, we'll say, at the Kawasaki booth. This gentleman was a pain in my ass while I was trying to take a picture of this lovely H2R that they had there on display. Notice the H2R, ooh, shiny, yes. Screw you, Noxious Moto, for buying an H2. I'm still waiting for that, supercharger motorcycle porn audio video. I'm still waiting for that, thank you very much. But this gentleman here, who was constantly in my shot, was poking and prodding at the H2R, and at one point he was essentially grabbing the racing slicks like they were a set of boobs, just squeezing them and all this stuff. And I'm like, those are just racing slicks. I thought maybe he was confused, right? Honest assessment of the situation. And the guy says in response to my telling him that those are racing slicks, and I quote his exact words, "Oh, aren't you a fucking fantastic jackass? Acura TL cocksucker." Oh, damn, that's a swear jar. This gentleman says to me, and I quote without skipping a beat, "Oh, I know. I raced for Kawasaki for 5 years." And then proceeds to turn around and walk away. You know what? I'm going to cut this prick off in retaliation. Why? Because I drive a Hemi. Dickhead. I'm just perpetuating the violence, I guess, right? Perpetuating the cycle. So, like I said, this guy just turns around, walks away from me, because, when somebody tells you they were a professional, factory-sponsored racer for 5 years, I want to follow up. I want to see, hey, that is freaking cool. Maybe my subscribers, who are the best freaking people in the world, by the way, maybe my subscribers would honestly like to know a little bit more about this. What is it like to be a professional factory rider? Unfortunately, because he about-faced and skedaddled out of there, I had no opportunity to follow up with him. So what I did was essentially stalk him and take a photo of him for you guys. So that way, if you guys happen by chance to run into this gentleman, you can inquire on my behalf about his 5 years of professional factory motorcycle racing with Team Green. Or if you are this gentleman and you're watching this video, hit me up in the messages here. Let me know, because I'm sure my subscribers would certainly love to speak with you or find out more about you, because, hey, not everybody in this world gets to be a professional factory racer, right? So anyways, that's the story with this guy. I will cut the motovlog here for you guys, and we'll just start playing the lovely picture show with the lovely music dedicated to my lovely subscribers. If you guys have any questions, anything that's going on, please let me know. Remember to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button while you're watching these lovely pictures. What the hell is going on? Anyways, ride safe, be safe, watch out for retards and TLs trying to cut you off. Morons. Anyways, have yourselves a good day, guys. TAC Moto out.